And now, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us commence with what you have been impatiently waiting for. Yes, the contest. Speechmaster 2014. Well, I shall hand over the reins to Nadi now to best describe to you our very own contest chair for this evening, Gavalier Saroj Somaratna.
Yes, Mario. I feel really privileged indeed to define such an outstanding personality on this stage tonight. Saroj is currently the project co-chair for Speechmaster 2014, and he is also a Toastmaster himself, representing the Ralph Toastmasters Club. He is the immediate past president of the Rotary Club of Sri Jawatanapura, and undoubtedly one of the greatest presidents the club has ever seen. Saroj is also the Director of Community Services, Rotaract International District 3220, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Since time is of the essence and words are not in the least sufficient to effusively describe him, I will let the gentleman himself allow you to have a glimpse into his alluring and charming self.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Toastmaster Gavalier Saroj Somaratna.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mario, and thank you very much, Gavalier Nadi. So, a very good evening to you all, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. This is a speech contest, right? You should be a bit more pumped up, and I need to hear that again. Good evening. Okay, that is the Toastmaster spirit, right? Okay. So normally, in a contest, only contestants will be allowed to get gifts and trophies. But here at Speechmasters, the audience will get a chance to get a gift. Are you ready for that? Okay. So I can see that enthusiasm in your faces. I will ask one simple question, one small question, that you have to use your common sense, and if you can answer it perfectly, correctly, perfectly well, you will be getting that prize or the gift. But there is a rule. What you have to do is, when I ask the question, you have to raise your hand first, and then you have to give the answer. Okay. Again, I will ask, you are ready, right? Okay. What is the only game in this world that you will win when you lose? Where are the hands? Okay. Ms. Toastmaster Janaki, first. Cricket. I'm sorry, the answer is wrong. Speech contest. I'm sorry, madam. Again, your doctorate didn't help that, it seems. What? Anyone who can try it out? I would say it's not a game, but something that you can do. I was being a bit tricky at the beginning. Perfect. I would like the Chief Judge to stand up and get recognized, because you can see he has lost his weight in this practice. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I request you to give a big round of applause. This is the gift that Mahesh will get. Okay, fine. So let me give that. I was planning to throw it and to tell that I'm not a good cricketer, but the front seat Toastmaster answered it. Fine. At the beginning of this contest, when we called for applications, there were close to 300 applications. And from those 300 applications, we had to reject around 15 applications. The reason was they were representing schools, and sometimes they were representing nothing. Okay? So the count was down for around 292, if I'm not mistaken. And from those 292, when we invite them for the preliminaries, only 252 people turned up. Only 252 people turned up. 243, I'm not quite sure, I'm not that good mathematician that you will find. So you see that 50 plus people have given up before even they tried. And there were many instances in your life that you will be willing to give up even before you try. Gavel Club of University of Sri Jayewardenepura. You will see some different things when it comes to speech master. Some traditional things have not been accepted or practiced, but I would say for you to stay open-minded and enjoy this contest. Okay, now enough of this. Let me start the most awaited thing in this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. We'll start the contest, Speech Master 2014. I warmly welcome you all to the grand finale of Speech Master 2014. Let us begin the most awaited contest right now. Sergeant at Arms, all the officers in the room, members in the audience, you are very valuable to us. So there are a few rules that the audience should know. Kindly switch off your cell phones and other electronic devices. I can give 5 seconds for you to check your phone. Sometimes it might ring, and if it rang, I will invite you to perform, I would say, a ballet. Yeah, okay. Photographers who are here, kind request, you can take photos, but you cannot walk while the contestant is speaking. And the members of the audience, please don't walk around the room, do not leave the room, or do not make any other movement which may distract the speaker.
Check 1, 2.
If you want to leave the room, please do it during the 1-minute silence that you will be getting between speeches. The following are the rules that contestants have already briefed, but for your information, I'll read that again. Speaking order is predetermined after picking of lots, and the speaking order is 1, 2, 3, and it goes till 9. The language of speech must be English, and speech timing is 4 to 6 minutes, 4 minutes to 6 minutes. If the time taken by a contestant is less than 3 minutes and 30 seconds or more than 6 minutes and 30 seconds, you will be disqualified. And at the start of the 4th minute, a green light will be switched on. Timer, can you display it for the audience? Yeah, like that. And at the 5th minute, a green light will be switched off and the amber light will be lit. And at the start of the 6th minute, the amber light will be switched off and the red light will be lit. The red light will be kept switched on until speakers finish his or her speech. There will be no indication made to the contestant in the event of disqualification. It is the responsibility of the speaker to finish the speech during the allocated time period.
Thank you.
After every speech, 1-minute silence period is observed for the judges to mark their ballot. And after the final speech of the day, that means after the 9th speech, there will be 2-minute silence for the judges to finalize their results. Time record sheets will be handed over by the timer to the chief judge, and the decision of the judges will be final. If a situation arises where 2 or more contestants have an equal number of points, the tie-breaking judge will involved in making the final decision. Protests and disqualification. Protests are limited to eligibility and originality and shall only be lodged by voting judges and contestants. Any protest? It's so cool here. Any protest shall be lodged with the chief judge or contest chair prior to the announcement of the winners. Before a contestant is to be disqualified on the basis of originality, the contestant will be given an opportunity to respond the voting judges, the majority of the voting judges must concur in the decision to disqualify. And let me repeat, the decision of the judges will be final. So now it's the time to start the contest. I will announce the speaker's name, title, and the name very clearly. Judges, are you ready?
When I finish, where do I go?
Timer, are you ready? Timer, are you ready? Okay.
Go from there, no? Right.
Okay. Speaking order will be, the first speaker would be Shavin Bandaranaike. Second speaker, Kaushalya Gayan Batawala. Third speaker, Umar Azwar. Fourth speaker, Hasindu Siyambalape. Fifth speaker, Usita Ranatunga. I just said the name. Okay. Sixth speaker, Muhammad Bilal. Seventh speaker,
Okay.
Devan Gunasingham. Okay, we have a very active audience. I'm really happy about it. And the eighth speaker, Sirimevan Jayasundara. Don't think that all the contestants are guys. There is one girl, but she is the last. Unfortunately, you have to wait till the last speaker. Okay, the last speaker of the day, Lahiruni Ekanayaka. Can we give a round of applause for all the contestants? Okay. Okay, Sergeant at Arms, are the doors secure? Okay, now it's the time to start the contest. Contestant number 1, Shavin Bandaranaike, Resurrection. Resurrection, Shavin Bandaranaike.